What time is it? 10:34 in the morning. So, actually gising na ako kanina pa. Kasi pasokan ng kids. It's Tuesday today. May 6 here sa Texas. Anyway, I was trying to like sleeping back kasi sobrang aga ko nagising kanina, like 5 something. But then I couldn't do anything outside today since I started like working on projects sa labas or sa backyard namin for gardening, flowering things, stuff like that. Araw-araw na ako guys, like every time I wake up in the morning after the kids sent to school, my body is just telling me, okay, work on something. But today, since it's raining, not just today, but it was raining since 2 days ago, like Sunday, I think. Wala akong nagagawa, but I have a little bit progress from this thing, and lagi ko na lang pinag-uusapan dito about gardening, but then it's very normal because I'm living here in the US, and as a housewife, I'm not working at all, so my life is dedicated to my kids, my husband, and the house itself. So ano bang dapat kong gawin? So what I really like doing here, which I don't vlog a lot, that's because I feel like if I keep showing you what's going on around the garden or around the backyard, it looks boring. I don't know. Maybe to some people it's like boring to watch, like garden na naman. But then that's my life this time around. Kasi like wife, mother, and garden, yun, lagi yun. Yan lang yung cycle ng life ko dito guys, and nothing else. But then, yeah, I'm so much excited because I think in 3 weeks, the kids will be having a break. So wala silang pasok. They will be having a break for like almost 3 months before the next school year again, which is really good for me, really good for my husband. Honestly, my husband is I'm a little concerned because every time na may pasok, he had to wake up very early just to send the kids, especially Yasli, to school. And speaking of my husband, I think he's done. He had training today and he got new student. 2. 1. Another one upcoming. Hi. Woo, don't look. You're sexy. Huh? You don't like it when I say it, right? What?
I said, sweaty.
You're sweaty, but
I don't know about sexy.
But it's sexy. It's just Claudio that appeared today.
No, like Claudio's taking finals.
Oh, I forgot. Okay. Nag-aantay yung aking tupiin. And I'll be doing this here because yung asawa ko, I'm sure, either magnanap yon or magbabasa na kanyang books. And I don't want to disturb him kasi he needed it so much. And then, ano guys, hindi na ako nag-vlog for the past, lagi na tayong hindi nag-vlog for the past 2 weeks. Mga few days, siguro mga few days, a week, more than a week. Because for me, parang ako wala talaga ako magagawa. I mean, like, I don't know if I should like do a daily vlogging because honestly, it's just like kind of boring to show everything. So sabi ko, only when I feel like I need to fold. Kasi meron na naman tayong mga labunon. Paparating mo. Ayan, puno na naman yung basket. And, yeah, my husband needs to rest kasi he went to Oklahoma noong Sabado guys, alone. Wala siyang kasama. Hindi ako sumama because he didn't stay there longer. But if he said na magstay siya doon for like extend for 2 days, ay sasama ako eh. Kasi makapaglibot. But then he went to Oklahoma lang for another camp sa karate niya. And you know how dedicated my husband is when it comes to his karate thing. So that's only for a day. And he drive back here. And it's a long drive. So ang dami. Like he needs to rest. He needs to regain an energy. Pero nagtitrain niyo sa kayo ng umaga. I'm changing clothes kasi sasama ko today. Meron pa kaming guys, doctor's appointments. His appointment is 1 p.m. You sleeping?
Come on in.
Oh.
I'm just sitting here.
Belle and I will be going for his appointment.
Oh, okay.
He had appointment.
Oh, yeah, he had one at 1, didn't he?
Yeah. So your lunch is ready at the table right now.
Yeah.
And yung asawa ko nag-shower pa. We still have time before we leave. Very good. Papakita ko sana sa inyo. Meron akong ako guys, like to share a little bit about it. Like a week ago. No, 2 weeks ago I think. 2 weeks ago. May mga nakikita akong birds dito. And then ano siya? Naghahanap sila ng food. Wala kami food. So now, bumili kami ng food. Look. Nasa labas. Hangin. And then, meron pa rin rain shower. Ito guys, oh. Bird feeder. Ang cute, diba? That's just $6. So, bumili na rin ako ng pang-feed ng bird. Very, very cute. And then, if you can see, this one is like, ano lang to guys, very plain na wood. And then I told Yasli, sige, i-paint mo siya. So, ayan. She painted it. Like, whatever lang. Diba sobrang cute. And then, naglagay na tayo ng food dito. Pero walang bird na nagpupunta. Like, it's been here for, this one, it's been here for like 4 days already. Wala pa rin bird. But, we'll say. And then, yung ating flower dyan guys, hala, kawaw sa akong flower. Look at this rose, very beautiful. I do appreciate it so much. Tingnan nyo yung kanyang pretty talaga siya guys. Ito yung binili namin sa Sam's na walang dahon, but then tumubo siya, very good. And then nalagyan na rin ng mulch itong side na to guys, which is better. It's better this time kasi nung wala pang mulch yan guys, na-stuck yung water. Itong rose natin pala, ito may buzz na siya. I'm so excited to see the flower. Ito kasi parang siyang hindi siya lavender, like yung baby blue na rose. Blue? No, parang like parang lighter lavender color, parang ganon. But blue yung sinabi ko, ayan o. I'm so excited to see. And hopefully itong lavender natin mag-grow ka naman please. Huwag kang mamatay. We're here. Oh, it's raining hard. Careful. Careful everybody. The rain is so hard this time. Very scary out there. It's very dark. Oh my gosh. Swimming right now? No.
There's nobody in the pool.
You're so funny. Look at this. Oh my gosh, meron kaming tornado warning here, guys. My, look at this. That's so scary. Very dark. Oh my gosh. Lord, protect us. Pasok na ako, guys. Kasi nakakatakot talaga. Because you love eating cheese?
Yeah, usually being a rat is something negative. Call someone a rat, it's an insult.
The rat that I'm talking about is the mice, mouse. How do you spell that thing?
Yeah.
Well, if you're a negative person, you will think it that way. But if you're
No.
not,
You can't turn it around. It's like saying the victim of an insult is their, their fault.
That's just crazy because if you're just meant to like joke, because diba, like mouse, mice, rat, they love eating cheese. We saw it in a movie. Ay, hindi ka pwede mag-joke.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't really
Yeah.
get that in English.
I'm Filipina. Of course, I enjoy joking. Are you?
Okay, well, I'm just telling you that if you use that joke on the average
American people?
American people,
Well, I'm
they
sorry if
they
I've hurt
would
your
feel like
feelings.
it was insulting.
I'm not insulting. I'm just talking. Okay, fine. Right now, I'm just using mice. Mouse. Mice. Sis? But in the
I'm
Philippines,
just saying,
we are not.
I have to make certain adjustments when I interact with people in the Philippines, different culture,
Yeah, you interact with
and
me.
you have to do the same thing here.
Ah, okay. Sorry. But I didn't call you. Okay, mag-explain pa again na. I'm sorry.
I don't get upset about it because I probably have a bit more experience
With other people?
cultural differences than the average
I love
person
you.
does.
My trees and my bird feeder is being smashed by the wind. Smash. Oh no, the tree. Oh, poor tree. Good thing I need to... It smells good. Oh no. We have nothing to do because it's raining. So that's why I get fat. I blame it to the rain. Because of the rain, I can't do anything outside. Nothing. I'll just put this here. Oh my gosh. Look at... I cannot put this outside. Tingnan nyo naman yung ulan, guys. Oh. I love rain, by the way. Kasi in the Philippines, we had rain all the time. But yung rain kasi nila dito, it's cold. And it's windy. Yash and Nico would enjoy. They wanted to go out and like just enjoy the rain. Because last time, lumabas talaga, gusto maligo. Tapos yung rain, nag-stop. Anyway, do you want me to make some food for you? He hates it when I'm like very cheesy person. I cannot just express my love for you.
Of course.
Why it's so unfair? When I compliment you all the time, you were like, just having this like look. Just look like I'm joking, but I'm not. You look so
You
good.
know, for people to laugh at jokes, the jokes have to be funny.
We have different humor. You have to laugh because you know me.
So I have
I
to
joke
pretend
sometimes.
it's funny.
When I said that I love you, it's not funny, it's real.
Oh, I didn't. We're not talking. So.
But
so
when I
you
joke
meant-
something, you have to
when
laugh
you-
at me.
When you said you love me, you meant that to be a joke.
No. That's serious. Very. Guys, since wala tayong magagawa, all I can do is lay down. You know? Lay down because wala rin naman tayong magagawa eh. It's raining so hard, but we'll pick up Ashley around 3:30 today. today. And then, oh my gosh, it's just so scary. I don't know if you can hear the rain and then the wind. And meron pa kaming tornado watch right now, guys. And part of Texas, like including College Station. So malapit na kami sa College Station. So kasali kami and it's so scary. I'm like, God, protection lang. I just prayed for protection for my kids, for us of course. Kay dili lalim ang tornado. No, ang tornado, my God, it really like if you're hit by tornado, as in buong ka gid mong balay. Like palayo lang jud in Jesus name. Hi girl.
Hi.
We are in Sam's. We're buying little groceries this time. Little lang to. Daddy's wala lang. Nagpagas lang kami, guys, and then we are here in the grocery store and we got a big melon. Super big. Big laki ng melon. And my favorite, bread. Ito naman yung favorite natin. Then napabili ako nito kasi hindi ako makaluto-luto ng fried rice. And then si Nicole, she's craving for one. And they have this. We just need to microwave this one. And also this one, different version. Yeah, crispy spring roll. Say hi, shy boy. What? No way. Is this real? Like mango, mango?
Cut up mango,
No.
frozen.
Yes, I want one. Okay, she is my cart girl for today's video. Oh, careful. Ashley, no, because you can broke the glass. How are you? How are you? Do you want to go out? Have you been out? Not yet. Ang laki ng ating watermelon. Wait. Agoy, kadako ba ni? Ay, gikapoy ko, guys. We are home from the store. Ang tagal namin sa store, guys. Sobrang tagal namin sa store today. Kasi nakausap ni Bill yung friend niya. Wait lang, mag-open tayo ng ating window. Kasi close namin itong window kanina kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. You can go out if you want. There you go. Oops. 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 Alright, let's put this away. Ito yung mga binibili namin kanina sa store, guys. Like I said. So, nung nasa Sam's kami kanina, accidentally na-meet ni Belle yung friend niya from way back. Like, a friend na nag-help sa kanya when it comes to, kasi yung asawa ko, guys, nag-horse riding yan before, like, a long time ago. And na-meet niya yung girl na yun sa Sam's, and my gosh, it took them a while. Like almost an hour siguro before they finished talking. And we got here now. I have to put this away. Kala ko konti lang yung bibili namin today, but napabili kami ng marami. And because this is Sam's kami kanina, we got some meat. And then this one, watermelon. We got this. Ano ba to? Ay, spam. Kasi yung mga bata gusto ng spam. And then I have bread here. And then, bumili ako ng fried rice. Kasi, si Nicole gusto niya ng fried rice, guys. And then, try namin tong spring roll na vegetable. We'll see if masarap ba to. Try lang naman. Bacon. And then, binilhan ako ng kasama ko ng mango. Dry, not dry. Like, organic mango. Sobrang hinahanap ko itong mango na to, guys. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to, but it looks so good. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Wait yung aso. And then, ground beef. And then, meron tayo. This one, naghahanap kasi ako ng ganito, guys. Ano ba to? Pork bone in. This one. Nili kami sa, di ba? Meat. And then, meron akong chicken breast here. So, lagay mo natin doon sa ating freezer. Grapes. Because we love grapes. And then my favorite, my husband and I's favorite chocolate. This one. Lagay muna natin. And then, bumili ako nito. Laki ng planter ko, guys. Look. You wanna see? Ito yung planter na bili ko nung nakaraang buwan ko pa to. Like, gusto ko talagang bumili. Sobrang mahal online. And sa Sam's, we got this one for like, I think $40. Malaki yan. This is 28 inches. Yung lapad. And then, I think yung height niya is around, hindi ko alam. Ano ba? No, I'm wrong. Actually, it's 14 by 14 yung wide. And then 28 inches. See? So, gusto ko kasi maglagay ng plant sa entrance door namin. And I was like, looking for something na malaki ba? Like this one. Kasi makikita mo talaga yung plant. So, I found this. Actually, I found this a long time ago. And sabi ko, sasawa ko, bibili tayo kahit isa lang kasi para makapaglagay naman tayo ng halaman sa labas. And then, we got it today. And I was planning on getting another one pa, pero I didn't get two today because malaki siya, hindi na magkasya sa car. So, isa lang muna. And then, next time yung iba, anyway, put away natin ito, guys. Kasi this is meat. And it has to be frozen. And yung mga bata, meron kaming pizza na pinili din. And I think I'll just put it here, maybe. Or I have to and itong ating mango, kailangan to be frozen. Yung tayo, chicken, meron pa kasi akong chicken na labas na. Then this one, keep natin dito. Nag-store talaga kami ng maraming meat. Guys, kasi ayaw namin naubusan. Because if something happens, yung bako, at least we have some food ready to just kasi natin alam anong mangyayari sa kanyang bagay, especially pag may mga bagyo-bagyo. So we really wanted to make sure that we had enough food sa aming freezer. Meron tayong bulaklak dito. Gusto ko, guys. Ang dami lang pa flower doon. Really like it because it's very vivid red flower. I mean, very red rose. And part of the reason why I got bouquet because yung kung bibili kasi ako ng like yung plant ba na like plant na buhi na ba, like light plant na rose na ganitong kulay, it's so very expensive. So what I'm going to do, kaya nagtitingin-tingin ako kanina, guys, itong stem na to, guys, itatanim ko siya so we can have a red roses in our yard. And now I get it really how this gardener people plant stem. Nung una, nagtatry ako and then it didn't work. So, ang nangyari, guys, yung stem na tinatanim ko, it's just rooted because I did it wrong. But this time, yeah, you can knock and then go. But this time, I just realized how this worked. So, I got this rooting hormone from Amazon nung nakaraan pa to, guys, na binili ko. And I started planting stems for the past 3 weeks or 2 weeks. And I see that those stems that I planted are sprouting. I see some sprout and I was like, wow, this is really working. So I'm like, okay. Now I see how these people in the, you know, like yung people na nagbibenta ng mga plants and flower for expensive prices, yung mga ginagawa nila, guys, this is the reason, like rooting hormones plus the soil that they're using. So anyway, kaya yung nangyari sa aking stem before, kaya siya nag-rooting. Kasi mali yung aking soil na ginagamit. I use the soil which is mali. When it comes to planting like stem, guys, you really have to make sure that you're using potting soil. Kasi yung potting soil pala, it's totally different from topsoil or garden soil. Kasi yung mga garden soil na nabibili natin or even like mga nakukuha natin sa labas ng bahay, they are yung kanyang consistency, should I say consistency, but iba siya kasi parang mas basa ba, mas wet yung mga topsoil or yung mga soil na yung mga ganun, yung mga soil na topsoil, guys, is para lang yun sa mga buhay na talaga. But when it comes to like stem like this, kailangan mo gumamit ng potting soil. I really see the difference now because I also got myself a potting soil from Amazon, and that's what I'm using for my stems that I planted last 3 weeks ago. And like I said, I've seen sprout already, so I'm like, now I see. So ganito lang pala siya. So mali ako noon, but you know, everything is a learned process for me, especially that I just started to do this here. Kasi sa Pinas, hindi naman kami, like sa Pinas, iba yung consistency ng ating soil dyan sa Pilipinas, I think, versus here. Dito kasi, guys, especially sa labas ng yard, it's clay. But look at this flower. It's so beautiful. Diba? Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. So let me cut stems. And I'm so very happy because yung stems na nakuha ko, guys, agoy. It's so perfect. Like, perfect when I say perfect. Kasi tingnan yung mga buds nito, guys. Oh, it's very easy to grow and sprout. Like, yung mga buds niya, very healthy. So, thank you so much. Wow, beautiful. It's almost 7:30 in the evening and it's so very light outside. Like, it looks like 4 in the afternoon. Tingnan yung labas, guys. Like I said, parang alas 4 lang. Very bright. Gusto daw niya maligo sa ulan, guys. Nya gitugnaw ng kandingon. Halag akong tanaman. Wala. Wrong. I need to put more. I think I have to put more ano. You wanna go? Yeah, wait.
Basilita yan, kita ko na. Basilita sinilas. Ha? Yeah, basilita sinilas.
Kaya maligo daw si ate. She wants to go.
Awo, pula ka ayo.
Let's go!
Nakaansa ko. Astang imong payo na buslot ko sa ulan.
Nabuslot?
Buslot. Pula ka ayo, sakit.
What? May ulan ron.
Wala!
Pagampo sa na. Please rain again.
Please rain again. Ay, payabag-yabag na kang ulan. Ay, Jazz! Ay, Jazz!
Kit-kito niya.
Kita kong thunder.
What?
Kita kong thunder. Dito sa kayo. Ulan. Or else.
You wanna shower in the rain? Okay, go. Yeah, kay the rain has stopped naman. Ano sa naman ni? Ano, miyayag? Ano ka naligo gani ha? Ashley's ready for the rain shower.
Please.
Say, rain again.
Please rain again. Please, I beg you.
Gisuffer kasi gupaspas kag lakaw, napay ulan unta ron.